Hi, welcome back to another one of my book reviews, Junk Journal Supplies book. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a repeat, hello again. As you know, every week I will feature a book review so that you can see the insides of the book and everything about it. So if you want to find one online yourself, you'll know what it looks like on the inside. So this one is 11 by 8.5, and it's Woodland issue Ideals magazine, or it's like a paperback booklet. There's the back. I believe this is brand new. It doesn't even have a crease here on the edge. So let's take a look. Let's flip through here. This is 1972. These have like very matte paper full of little short stories and poems with beautiful graphics and illustrations and pictures. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I love the ideals. It's just wonderful. Oh, look at that deer. This will be great in nature journals. Oh, look at the raccoons. Here's chair caning, how to do that. Oh, look at that, pan-fried trout. This would be great for my fishing magazines, camping. I love, oh, isn't that darling? I love the swirls and little types of, oh, look at that. Just beautiful. Some music. Oh, fondue. Well, I hope you're enjoying my book reviews, and everybody's different and looks for different types of books, so I thought I would start this so people could actually start looking up. Oh, this is more of a shiny paper, these last couple pages, to look up a book to see if that's what they want for their journals. Alright, so that was Woodland Ideals magazine. Thanks.